Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the fundamentals of multiplayer game development, focusing on the roles of servers and clients. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why we need servers in multiplayer games. In a multiplayer game, the server acts as the central authority. It ensures that all players experience a consistent and fair game world. This centralized control makes possible communication of all the players with each other through a server, prevents discrepancies between different players' game states, and helps in preventing cheating. The server also handles synchronization. It periodically sends updates to all clients, ensuring that every player has the same view of the game world. This is crucial for synchronizing actions and events, like player movements and interactions. Additionally, the server manages shared resources and distributes the computational load, making the game scalable to handle many players without degrading performance. Now, let's understand what a client is and its role in a multiplayer game. A client is a player's interface to the game world. It handles rendering graphics, processing player input, and communicating with the server. The client captures and processes player inputs, sends these inputs to the server, and receives updates to reflect changes in the game. By the way, if you want to learn more about 3D rendering, I have a separate video diving deep into that topic. Be sure to check it out. But here's where it gets interesting. In some games, the client can also predict certain actions, like player movement, to make the gameplay feel smoother. This is known as client-side prediction. Let's break it down further. To make sure everything looks smooth and real-time, the client uses techniques like interpolation and extrapolation. Extrapolation provides immediate feedback on your own actions. When you press a button to move or shoot, the client doesn't wait for the server to respond. It predicts the outcome and shows it on your screen right away, then corrects any discrepancies when the server's update arrives. To visualize this, check out this animation. The red bounding box represents the server updates, while the blue bounding box shows the client's prediction and corrections. When current player starts movement, client immediately starts calculation and renders feedback, sending input command to the server. After a server response, corrects its position accordingly. Notice how they work together to keep the tank's movement smooth and responsive. On the other hand, interpolation is used to render the smooth movement of other players between server updates. Imagine the server sending position updates at intervals. The client takes these updates and fills in the gaps to make movements appear fluid. So, instead of seeing players jump from one spot to another, you see them move smoothly. Notice how green box is moving smoothly, while tank position and rotation glitches. This is visual difference of presence and absence of interpolation. Smooth movement feels natural, and this is what we would like to see in real-time games. These techniques work together to create a seamless and responsive gaming experience, making it feel like you're truly immersed in the game world. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to tell you about my new fitness and food AI app. It's designed to help you track your workouts, monitor your food stats, and stay motivated. Just like in games, it uses a client-side architecture to ensure a smooth and responsive user experience. I would love for you to check it out and give me your feedback. Your input is invaluable for making improvements and adding new features that you want to see. Now, let's talk about something close to my heart. I'm working on a project to bring an exciting new game, Tank Arena, to life. However, to make Tank Arena free to play for everyone, I need your help to buy back the rights to publish it. I need your support to make this happen. If you want to see Tank Arena become a reality, consider supporting our campaign. Every little bit helps, and together we can bring this awesome game to life for everyone to enjoy. How? Just do any purchase in the mobile app described earlier. And there you have it, a quick dive into the roles of servers and clients in multiplayer games, and some exciting projects I'm working on. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite multiplayer game. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep gaming and stay awesome.
Impressive.